हेलो फ्रेंड्स। टुडे फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू कि आपने इतना प्यार दिया एंड यू हैव बॉट द बुक हाउ टू हैंडल जीएसटी स्क्रूटनी. Thanks a lot for trusting me. And while recording this video, I'm excited, super excited. But I'm not a YouTuber who will say, "Hello friends, I am super excited to talk with you." No, this will go in the phase where it goes like a webinar. So I will be recording few videos and would be sharing you the link and then you can go through that. So in that step, this is the first video and we'd like to keep mix of English and Hindi so that it is comfortable for everyone and so that it reaches all my audience. And I will try to keep size of the video maybe 8 to 10 minutes so that uh, you keep on watching without bothering for your much of the time. So with this, let's start for the first thing. So let us put notes and we will be discussing few more things. So first question is that are you prepared for GST scrutiny or for say the audit? Why we want to discuss this? Because to be very honest, uh, whatever returns uh, have been filed, especially in July to September 17, maybe first 2 3 months. In those days, it was an achievement to file your returns. सच्चाई ये है कि उस दौर में रिटर्न फाइल करना अपने आप में एक अचीवमेंट होता था. एंड नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट कि भाई we have to justify what we have filed those returns, so that is a challenging thing. Many of you might agree, many might disagree. I respect your disagreement, but what my understanding is कि जुलाई टू सितंबर 17 की जो रिटर्न गई है उसमें हमें रिटर्न फाइल करना एक बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क लगता था और कई छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स हमसे हुई हैं knowingly or unknowingly because it was a new law. It has, and these scrutiny norms are for only two financial years 2017-18, of course from July 17 18 and 18-19. uh, because see, the Infosys is yet to develop online module. तो जब online module develop हो जाएगा, when the online module is available, so then the returns would be also the scrutiny would be online. Now they would be manual scrutiny. So considering these facts, you'll understand. So what is the background today? So first, Tamil Nadu issued a circular SOP for scrutiny of returns October 2021. Then Kerala issued guidelines and sections for this purpose. Then Maharashtra issued, and then CBIC came. And then latest one was Haryana issued on 12th. Now, in your book, all five circulars are available or instructions are available in printed forms. So, what is the basic method how this would be done? So we will talking about the CBIC one. So DGRM will pick certain cases जो कि रिस्कियर प्रोफाइल होंगे वेयर डिपार्टमेंट फीस की यहाँ से रिकवरी बन सकती है जीएसटी की या यहाँ पर गड़बड़ियाँ पाई गई हैं discrepancies with their softer beliefs कि यहाँ गलतियाँ हैं and they will send details to the nodal officer of these cases. Nodal officer will then send to superintendent and superintendent with the approval of ACDC will go further and issue notice to the will not say notice, they will issue communication. They will communicate discrepancies. They will communicate discrepancies to registered person कि सर आपके 17-18 और 18-19 में we have found these kind of discrepancies. Now, what sort of discrepancy could be there? तो वो discrepancies होंगी that they would be cross checking your returns and then this communication would be in ASMT 10 form or then इसके तीन चीज हो सकती है: यू एक्सेप्ट द मिस्टेक, you accept the discrepancies, you pay tax and interest along with interest, and scrutiny would be over. For example, the second could be that department has communicated you 100 rupees correctness or discrepancies. You accept 40 rupees and you reply back for 60 rupees कि सर इस पर GST नहीं लगता or your findings are not correct, and with your satisfactory answer, the department accept कि 60 rupees recoverable नहीं है, they drop for 60. And a version could be alternative for first one was could be that you have received a communication for 100 rupees and you replied कि भैया ये 100 rupees की ही mistake नहीं है, and then department accepts it or department drops the proceedings. You received a notice. Third thing could be कि आप reply ही नहीं करते, you don't reply at all. Now, if you don't reply at all, then department will definitely move towards best judgment assessment, and whatever action they would propose. And whenever you reply and department not satisfied with your reply, then department will move 73, 74 against you, or in case they could recommend investigation or audit against you or inspection against you. Because see, your it might be possible that while discussing scrutiny whilst accepting our replies. Now there is a complication with respect to your books of accounts. Your accounting is pretty complicated, or your sector is very complicated, and department officer feels that I cannot handle it, then this could be possible. And then whatever action is proposed, they will communicate to commission, and then commission will communicate to higher authorities. And see, we are not concerned how many registers they have to maintain, when they have to reply. But there would be top level monitoring of all these cases. And there are time limits. अगर आप देखें तो time limits भी दी हुई है, within how many days what action should be taken. Now, ideally, department should provide you 30 days notice. But अगर उन्होंने आपको 30 days का clear time नहीं दिया, देन ऑल्सो इट इज़ नॉट द केस कि आप ये कह सकते हैं कि साहब because I have not been provided 30 days notice, then this scrutiny is void ab initio. It's not the way. Uh, Now, I'm repeating it again. Department has to cross-check correctness of your return, whatever data you have submitted. ये correctness alternative method से check होगी with third party data, maybe TDS, TCS returns, might be e-way invoices or your two-way जो आपके vendors ने file करी है. They are going to cross check on the correctness of your return. And if no reply is filed, then definitely department will, after the 30 days are over, then department will, in next 15 days, they will issue best judgment assessment on the basis of details provided. अगर आप इसमें देखिए, when DDRM send details to nodal officer and then superintendent before issuing notice to you, they will do some homework from them, from their side, and they will calculate, and as far as possible they have to communicate specifically कितना amount आपका payable बन रहा है. That doesn't mean कि वो bare notice नहीं दे सकते. These are the research which we are not concerned. And see, we will make another video of advert and other things. And one thing is that कि सबकी स्कूटनी नहीं होनी है, सबकी स्कूटनी नहीं होनी है. Please do understand that. There are 1.38 crore registered assessee. तो क्या सबकी स्कूटनी होगी? नहीं. जहाँ पर सॉफ्टवेयर बताएगा. Now, it is also possible that department himself picks some cases जहाँ पर उनको लगता है कि स्कूटनी करने की ज़रूरत है, and they can do scrutiny for your returns also. But ideally, software will intimate कि कहाँ पर है. So it is, the scrutinies are based on data picked by data analyzer or artificial intelligence. So इस कड़ी में सबसे important जो चीज हो जाती है, that is what kind of analysis data would be giving, what software we are talking about, what software, data intelligence, artificial intelligence is there. तो ये सारी चीजें we would be discussing when we would go into second video of our advert. Thank you. Thanks a lot. We'll record my second video also soon and we'll share you. Um, just give me some time. We'll be doing it. And trust me, I'm excited while recording this video because it's first time of communication where because this was my first book launch, so I wanted to add certain things along with merely selling a book. It should be something more by that side. But I'm not a YouTuber who would say hello friends like this. So basically a text professional. And whatever comments you have, whatever questions you have been added to WhatsApp groups. You have my email ID. Also, you can comment on this video. These videos are recorded exclusively for all those who have purchased the book. These videos would not be shared to other people. I would also request you not to share to others. It's my request, but if you don't follow it, then again it's good. Otherwise, I could have simply done these videos or 1 hour session. It could have been कि 1 घंटे के session record करो और link सबको दे दो. But that I don't want that. I want a gradual progression of reading. And and if you have not read the preface of the book, then please do read because in case of non-genuine sellers or registrations cancelled, text not deposited by sellers, these kind of cases are or GST 2A mismatch issues. So I have covered these things in my preface. So please don't miss the preface. Thank you. We'll come soon with the second part of the video. Thanks a lot. Thank you.